Wow, this is great. Oh, the fun's over too quick. Oh, that's far too quick. Oh. It's really quick, this little RC logger. It's just the fun's over far too quick. You're lucky if you get 5.5, 6 minutes out of it on a flight. I need to, it's only got the 850 milliamp hour battery in it, so I need to get the, I think it's 1150 bigger capacity. So it gives you about 10 odd minutes, that one. So it's really, really quick. It's a really cracking little quadcopter, unbelievably quick. But them props make a really nice sound when they go through the air. It sounds really cool. I was nowhere near full throttle. Probably not even halfway throttle. So just goes to show it's got really good punch as well. And that's only on the middle setting, the sport mode. It's got beginner mode where it's really docile. Then it's got this sport setting where it's really quick. And then it's got another third speed, which is like insane mode. I've not even tried that yet. So just thought I'd show you that. Another little flight with my RC logger. It's brilliant, that. It's just a really simple little quadcopter. Carbon fibre arms. It's got aluminium motor mounts. I don't know what kV these motors are, but they're beautiful. Just that's quite big props for the size of it. Little plastic landing legs. The only problem is with it, it's got like a little plastic chassis, and don't know if you can see there where the legs join on. There's a little bit of flex, but it's brilliant. I've seen a lot of these where they're converted to a carbon fibre frame, which is one possibility, I suppose. But it's a really simple quadcopter. Handles really well, really nice to fly. I can thoroughly recommend it if you're thinking about getting one. Really good. Okay guys, anyway, thanks for watching. Take care, bye bye for now.